Your NGO plus Explanation of Benefits, or EOB, an overview. Question: Doug, I know each explanation of benefits our employees will get will vary, but can you give me and our social good organization a general overview what information will be on our employees' NGO plus explanation of benefits after they submit a claim to IMG? That is a wonderful question, Cora. We sure can. Let me provide you a summary of what your employees may see on their NGO plus explanation of benefits, or also called EOBs. Your NGO plus explanation of benefits is a summary of how your IMG claim was processed. Below is basic information on what is on most of the EOBs from IMG, Cora. Please keep in mind that the actual explanation of benefits may vary depending on their type of medical facility your global employee has visited. Here are 28 key parts and what they mean on a typical IMG NGO plus explanation of benefits. This information may be a bit tedious to work through, Cora, but still good knowledge for each of your team members to have to help navigate throughout their explanation of benefits on their NGO plus global employer group medical insurance. IMG sends a claim statement anytime they process a claim, which is the EOB form. This includes the name and address of the insured member, patient, or alternative payee. This documents how the benefits cover the cost of a service of a medical provider and what is owed by the patient. Please realize, Cora, that the EOB is not a bill. The customer service information area shows date that the EOB was prepared, contact information of IMG's customer service department. Member ID number. This is the identification number that IMG uses to keep track of members' claim activity in their claim system. The claim number. This number is assigned by IMG's claim system when the claim is processed. Date of service, the date or dates the member received treatment. Service code, the type of services or products the member received from the medical provider. Total charge, the full amount billed by the medical provider to the insurance company. Not covered, this portion of the total charge that was not covered or eligible for payment under the insurance policy. Reason code, a code that corresponds with the Remark Code description. Discount amount, the amount saved by using an in-network medical provider. Covered by your insurance policy, the portion of the charges eligible for benefits. Less deductible. The deductible is the amount for which the policyholder is responsible during each period of coverage. Less copay. A set amount that the policyholder pays for certain covered services, such as office visits or prescriptions. Copays are usually paid at the time of service. Amount subject to coinsurance. The total benefit amount subject to coinsurance. Paid at, the actual coinsurance percentage. Less patient share of coinsurance. The amount of the policyholder's share of the coinsurance. Payment amount, the amount paid by the insurance policy for each claim line. Column totals, the total of each of the columns. Total policy holders or patient's responsibility. Total amount that the member is responsible for paying after the insurance benefits has been applied. Other credits or adjustments, Any adjustments, credits, or previous payments applied. Total payment, the total amount paid by your insurance policy. Service code description, an explanation of the procedure or service, codes listed on the claim. These codes describe the services that were rendered by the medical provider. Remark code description, an explanation of the remark code used on the claim. Additional information, applicable appeal language and/or general information. Copy of the front of the voided check image. Copy of the back of the voided check image. Payment details, explains to whom the payment was insured, the check or wire number and amount. And lastly, accumulators or amount. This is the amount applies to deductible or out-of-pocket amounts. We hope this has helped, Cora. Please keep in mind that the information may change due to updates on software and U.S. federal laws that may change the look and feel of the EOB. However, this is good information for your employees on your NGO Plus International Employer Group Medical Insurance. Change is always in the air, so please check our webpage at www.gninsurance.com for the most up-to-date information on your IMG NGO Plus Global Employer Insurance. Have questions? We are just a phone call, email, or online chat away here in Gilbert, Arizona. We wish you and your team, Cora, an amazing rest of the year.